question is part of our FTS2. The sequence is defined as follows: a1 is equal to 1 by 2, an plus 1, it's a recurrence relation, an plus 1 is equal to an square plus an. Then you need to find some of these 100 terms, like a1 plus 1, a2 plus 1, a3 plus 1, and so on up to a100 plus 1. We can sense very clearly there are 100 terms in it. So how do you begin this here? Recurrence relations. So clearly it's evident that an plus 1 is equal to, take an an common, we have an plus 1. Correct. It's nothing but an plus 1. Fine. So when I take the reciprocal of it, 1 by an plus 1, it would be equal to 1 by an of an plus 1. The plus 1 is not for n, the plus 1 is for the entire an. It's this way. Now the other way, you can write this as 1 by an minus 1 by an plus 1. Now let me bring, hope you understand students, this n plus 1, this plus 1 is for the n, this plus 1 is for the entire term. Hope you could feel the difference between them. Now let me bring the 1 by an plus 1 to the left hand side. Means what I've done, I've brought it to the left hand side, and 1 by an minus 1 by an plus 1. A little bit swapping here. Alright, so now what I'm going to do now, I'll apply sigma. My n starts at 1 to 100. Same way for the left hand side also, you put sigma n is equal to 1 to 100. And what happens in the left hand side is 1 by a1 plus 1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1, and so on up to 1 by a100 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3 plus so on up to the last term will be 1 by a100 minus a, or 1 by a101. So it follows the telescopic pattern. Alternate terms will get cancelled, and you will have only this term 1 by a1 minus 1 by a101. And your total left hand side, this is what you need to find. You can check in the question. This is what you need to find, which is equal to s here. So the s is equal to 1 by a1 minus 1 by a101. So a101 is obviously a value greater than 1. So 1 by a1 is given as 2 minus 0 point something. As a101 is something more than 1, it will become like a proper fraction, and he is asking step value of s. So it will be like 1 point something, and my answer will be 1. That's it.